Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to calculate PPF or public provident fund in Excel. Okay, so if you want to calculate or make a calculator of public provident fund, so this video will show you how to do it. Here you will see I have this column for years, 14 years. I will calculate this PPF for 14 years, and this is yearly deposit. As you know, the yearly deposit will be no more than 150k, and interest rate is right now is just 7.1%. So how to calculate interest earning and end of the year balance? Okay, so what you have to do to calculate interest earning, you have to just click on equals to, then this yearly deposit into a rate of interest. So this will be the interest earning. Okay, for first year. Now go to for the end of the year balance equals to yearly deposit plus interest earning. So this will be the end of year balance. Now here interest earning, how to find out the interest earning? You have to just click on equals to end of the year balance. Okay, here I will took this comma, bracket open, end of the year balance plus this yearly deposit. Okay, bracket close, into rate of interest. So this will be the rate of interest earning for the second year. Okay, now end of the balance equals to this plus this plus this. Okay, now you have to just copy this formula. So this will be the end of the year balance of 14. Okay, 14th here you will see this is the balance. So like this you can just create or calculate PPF for public provident fund in Excel. If you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.